Okay, 7b. So what we're going to do is do some chamfers now. This time when we do chamfers, we're going to be given two numbers. So pay attention when we click on the lines, because when we click on the lines to do the chamfer, the order matters. Okay, so first we're going to make a 3x2 rectangle. We'll copy it 6 times. We'll put some text in here. We'll end up putting some dimensions in. But again, pay attention when we do the chamfers. Okay, so let's go ahead and get a little bit bigger screen. Okay, let's go ahead and go to AutoCAD. Let's go ahead and make sure I'm on object. Go ahead and click on dot. Make sure your snap is on. And go ahead and give me a 3x2. Verify it real quick. 2x2. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy it 6 times. Okay. And we'll go ahead and go here. Copy here. Okay, let's go and put the dimension on, and we'll put the text there too. So remember, to do dimension, you're going to make sure your OSNAP setting, it's on endpoint. Since we already drew our shapes, we don't need to use our snaps no more. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on the dimension button. Well, first I need to go dimension. Now linear button. Okay, there's that one. And there's that one. Okay, C enter, A enter. I'm going to have to move it down just a little bit, I think, to put both texts in there. Okay, so that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and go text heavy, since I'm going to be adding text. Make the box. Before chamfer. Go ahead and copy that. And we'll go ahead and turn this one after chamfer. Okay. Now, pay attention when we do this first chamfer right here. This one here, it's 1 and 0.5. Those are our chamfer distances. Okay, so when we do chamfer, we're going to go cha, enter, D enter, and then you can either type in 0.5 first, or you can type in 1 first. But just remember, whatever you put in first, that means you're going to have to click on that line first. So if you end up putting 0.5 in first, you better click on the side line first, then you click on the top line. If you put in the 1 first, then you type in 0.5. Just make sure you click on the top line, then the side line. I'm going to go ahead and put in 1 first, and then 0.5 when I do my chamfer. So remember, to do chamfer, you go ahead and go cha, D enter, and like I said, I'm going to put in 1 enter, and then 0.5 enter. So I'm going to click on the top line, then the side line. Top line, side line. I'm going to click on the bottom line, then the side. The bottom, then the side. And then I'm going to put some dimensions on. I'll put those dimensions on right there, like that. So let's go back to this. Dimensions are done in dim, linear, endpoint to endpoint, just bring it up. And endpoint to endpoint, and I'm going to bring it over. Okay, but take a look. See this right here? My 0.5 looks like it's outside, but in the book, it looks like it's inside. So here's where we're going to do that. There's a button over here. It's called Dimension Text Edit. You just simply click on this one. Click on your dimension, and it gives you a chance to go ahead and move it back around. So I'm going to move it so it looks like it's forced in there. So like that. Okay. Next one now. We got 1.5 and 0.25. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 1.5 first, and then 0.25. So that means I'm going to click on the side line, then the top line to do the chamfer. So that means I would click on the side, then top to do the chamfer on this one. So 1.5 and 0.25. Cha, de-enter, 1.5, enter, 0.25, enter. Click on the side, then top, side, then top. Alright, let's go ahead and put our dimensions in there. Corner to corner, bring it up, and then corner, zoom it in a little bit to corner, and bring it out here. Looks like this 0.25 though, it could be on the wrong side. Let's take a look. Yeah, it looks like it's on this other side. So remember, use this pencil, dimension text edit, or button, click on it, and then move it over to the right. Z enter, A enter. Okay, so we got that one. Let's take a look at this one right now, the third one. Okay, third one, we got 0.5, 0.5. So this should be pretty easy. This is like what we've done before. Yeah, you put in 0.5 and you can just hit enter twice. But remember, we're only doing 3 corners though this time. So, cha, de-enter, 0.5, enter, enter. Click on the lines. Doesn't matter which lines you click on. Since it's the same number, it doesn't matter the order in which you click the lines. That's what makes it nice. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my dimensions in. I'm going to take that ortho off too, so I get a little bit more freedom to move it around. And here to here. Okay, so use the little A button or on 2010 version, but I think you would have 2000 pencil here on 2008 version. So click on that button, dimension text edit. Click on this, and I'm going to bring it over here. And I'm going to click here and bring it inside. Okay, there's something different on this one though. Take a look. See, notice how there's the 0.5, it's outside, and so are the arrows. They're both outside. So let's see what we have here. The arrows are inside, the 0.5's outside. So here's what we're going to have to do. This is a strange case. I don't know why they put this in here for you at this level, but we can still do it. You're going to go to the last button on your dimension toolbar. You're going to click that. You're going to go to the button where it says override. You're going to go to fit. And then right here, you're going to click on arrows. Click on OK. Close. Now there's a button up here that says dimension text, or it's called dimension update. Click on that, and then click on your dimension, then hit enter, and then it forces it out. So it was a long process to get those out, but that's how you do that. Okay? So Z enter, A enter, and looks like you're done with 7B.